Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. Recently, when I made the pocket prayer in the heart shape, I again was using these beautiful glitzy threads. I love using them. Years ago, there was a product called Hugo's Amazing Tape. It's what we used to be able to secure the thread once we were done using it. That product went away and it's finally back, and I want to just remind you that this product is it's just as amazing now as it was before. And we now have 1 inch wide and 2 inch wide. So when you're using products, thread specifically, that doesn't have that notch and that way for you to secure the thread once you're done using it. And you're like, I don't want to just put that on my rack and have it on kind of unwind like that, potentially getting tangled, making a mess, or fraying, because this is valuable. We want to keep it intact and good and ready for its next use. That's when the Hugo's Amazing Tape comes into play. So it's not really tape at all. There's no residue, there's none of that. It sticks to itself, and that's what I love about the tape. You don't really need to use that much. So one roll will actually last you a long time. So once you're done with your thread, you'll go ahead and wind that up as usual, and I'll come close so you can see how this works. It's really cool. There's no stickiness about this at all. It's more of like a cling. So if you've ever used like those cling things you might put in your window just for decoration, it's that same concept. It's how it sticks to itself. And you simply wrap that around and you'll go ahead and put that in your rack of thread, your display, and you're ready to go again. When you want to be able to use that, you can simply remove it. And it's so nicely kind of secured. Sometimes I'm like, how do I get that removed? And I can take that off, go ahead and use it. Once I'm done, wind it back and simply reuse it an endless amount of times. This never wears out. So I love that too. And I also love that, you know how sometimes if things are taped with regular tape for too long, when you go to take the tape off, it leaves a little bit of that residue. That will not happen with this product because it's not really tape. So if you too love to use sparkly threads or anything you really want to be able to bundle up and know is secure besides thread, maybe cords in your house or other things, be sure to consider the Hugo's Amazing Tape and the size 1 inch or 2 inch. They're amazing. So thanks for letting me tell you about this notion that's now back. Be sure to grab that and subscribe so you know about the newest notions, DIY, and quilting tutorials. I'll see you next time.